Crazy kids all looking with your doors up. Let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in.
Hi girls, my name is JC and I'm the recruitment chair of Zeta Tau Alpha. We're so excited that you decided to participate in formal recruitment this year. Fortunately, from the circumstances, we aren't able to meet in person today and throughout the first round, but we're so excited to be able to continue recruitment in person. This is a little video we decided to put together for you to just get to know a little bit more about our sisterhood.
Hi, I'm Mayla.
And I'm Peyton.
And we're both juniors in Zeta. Is it already recording?
Yes.
Okay. I loved recruitment. I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
I had a good time.
Going through recruitment in person definitely was an experience. It was like really nerve-wracking at first, but like we got to kind of like we didn't tell each other what we were doing, but we like still talked about it a little bit.
Our groups were like really close to each other on the row, so like I could always see Peyton, but we were never in the same lines, so it was kind of funny.
We would always like kind of know that we were kind of going to some of the same houses, but we'd like keep some of them a secret, and like we didn't want to base our decision like off of each other, but we still like kind of wanted to make each other like feel like supported throughout the recruitment process, just because it can be overwhelming like at first because it's so many houses and so many girls. The minute I walked into the Zeta house, probably like the first round, I could really like look at all the girls. I could tell they were all so different, like diversity wise, and just like everybody had their own personality, but like fitted like a puzzle almost, which was really nice to know. Yeah,
that was good.
And by like the second round, the third round, like just the more like I kept going, the more comfortable I got, and none of the girls just, it didn't feel like a forced conversation. Like everything just felt like it was flowing, like I was hanging out with my friends rather than like I was trying to like impress anyone. Okay, so I think our favorite memory in Zeta, there's a lot to choose from just because we've
definitely
been,
way too many.
Yeah, we're always together, we're kind of inseparable, but the best one would have to be the day we found out that we made it into the nursing program. She was in our room because we were roommates in the house together, and I was in a room like down the hall with like some of our close friends. And then I just remember us both screaming like out loud, and like everybody that was in the room with us came up and like hugged us because they were just all so proud of us, and we were all like in tears.
I know,
at that
I think
point,
the whole room was crying
just
for some reason. Like nobody really expected it because like we didn't know we were finding out, so it was like really cool, and like everyone was all there, and it was.
And it just kind of showed like the support system between all of us. Like they all knew that we were working so hard for it and like how much it meant to us. And it just meant a lot to have like everybody there, especially like having each other there, because it was just like a big step for us.
I agree, yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Emma and I'm the Vice President of Zeta. I'm so excited to be able to share with you a little bit about my role today. I have the opportunity to lead the Programs Council, which is a group of girls who really are the backbone of Zeta as they put on events for our chapter, ranging from sisterhood events to community service, diversity and inclusion, membership enrichment, and outside involvement. I never would have thought when I rushed my freshman year that I would be in the leadership position that I am today. But with the support of my sisters in applying, I've had the most rewarding experience getting to watch these girls grow in their own positions by putting on events for our chapter that keeps our sisterhood close and involved in JMU and the Harrisonburg community. I'm so excited for you guys, and I wish you guys the best of luck during recruitment.